Too much rain. Oh, so it's the sun. Let's see. It's the sun. You see? It's the sun. So it had been crowded by the rain. It even looked like the moon. It's yet about to set. Still early though. So the rain is still falling, though not as strong as it was a few minutes ago. Oh my goodness, just enjoying the breeze. Feeling good. It has been so hot during the day, by the way. And so, at least having the rains now cools the weather. And the evening becomes sweet and bearable. Oh yeah. Just stay in the house now. Feel the rain as it falls. Enjoy yourself. Have a cup of tea, maybe if you're in Hargeisa in this weather. The sun is now coming back, by the way. The rain has at least stopped, so the water is still flowing. But the sun is still there. You go. Still out, still out. It's trying to shine, but you know, because of the rain. Look at that. You can see the rain droplets. Whoa, look at that. You can see the rain droplets falling down from the sky. Whoa. So have a nice evening, everybody, and enjoy our videos from Caligula TV, and have a good night. Toodles. Raining a lot in Hargeisa. Very windy. The water has come up to the house. You can imagine. Just look at that. Rainy and windy. Woo. Look at the water flowing all over. Blessings of rain today in Hargeisa. Mashallah. You see that? It's an afternoon of rain. Water flowing all. And it's very stormy. Too much wind. Feels so good when it rains. I think it's time for some hot chocolate tea or some coffee. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Just amazing. Look at the moon there from a distance. You can see the moon. Wow. Or is it the sun? I don't know. But look at that. Look at that. And right now it's not even night, but you can see it from afar. So I think it's the moon, not the sun. Because even right now it's not night yet. Just the afternoon. But the rain is making somebody feel like they should just go back to sleep. Whoa. Just go back to sleep. Look at that. The water, the rainfall. Oh my goodness. The scenery here is amazing. Because the rain has been falling for some time now. It looks so nice. Some green all over. You know, the plants have not dried so much yet. With the on and off rains, at least we are enjoying some greenery, enjoying some nice weather. Even when the sun becomes very hot during the day, at least in the evenings we get some showers. Oh yeah. Oh la la, look at that. Beautiful houses, they're coming up each and every day. Each and every day. The rain is still falling, so I have to rush to the house. The sun is still not set. Just look at that water. Whoa. Flowing down like crazy. Look at that. That's how much the rain has been. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful surrounding. The birds are even happy. Hey, bye-bye, good people. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and enjoy videos from Somaliland. Coming over here. Oh yeah. The rain is over now. The rain is over now. You can see now people are walking out. Beautiful weather.